Hi guys, so I look like an absolute wreck. It's time to clean my room again. Okay, you guys, let's start at the door per usual. Sorry, also, I'm like sick, so you can probably hear it. That's why I look like crap as well. So ignore my reflection. This is actually a fruit basket I got for Christmas for my kitchen in my apartment. So I'm just like keeping it there for now. I have my headphones and my film camera. My purse, my backpack. Cute. And then this is the exact same because I love my door, except I took off the Sia poster because it was time. I don't really listen to her too much anymore. Love her old stuff, but her new stuff is not really my thing. And then let's get this section out of the way here. Okay, exposing myself. I'm literally watching a Sims 3 live stream. Embarrassing for me. Okay, but this is not very like cute. It's literally just for practicality, just somewhere to store my shoes, my art supplies, and other random things, and then like my vinyls and stuff at the bottom there and other art supplies. Like this is literally just for practicality. Sorry, it's like the lighting is making this like really messed up. Okay. I have my shelf, this cute little thing I got from the thrift. Rolling Stones, vinyl, Gilmore Girls on DVD. I have my Porta Pros here. Love them. And then coming down here is my little like wood stove thing. Sorry, the lighting is like actually horrendous. This is like my little wood stove thing because it gets really cold in my room. So then I have a Greta vinyl. I have this framed photo of Jake Kiska. Would y'all believe me if I said I was a Sammi girl first though? That's tea. Strawberry pound cake candle, because I've like literally loved that scent so much. I have these ceramic ballet slippers. Love this mirror. It's vintage. I think I showed it in a room tour before, but I'm like obsessed with it. It's so beautiful. And then I have this gorgeous plate that I'm keeping random stuff on. And I put all the stuff on the sides because I like to see the flower that's on it. And then I got blue banisters, cassette that I will be taking back to LA with me so I can play in the car because my car has a cassette player because it's super old. Okay, now moving to my desk area. I have my chair with a little squishmallow on it. I have this huge Hello Kitty squishmallow. I put my cowboy hat on her. And this is the desks. I have the Law & Order magazines that were there last time. I have my strawberry pound cake lotion, super cute. And then I got the cutest candles from a place in Portsmouth, New Hampshire. It's literally so pretty. I love it. These flowers that are like wilting. How sad. And then again, framed picture of Raleigh from Law & Order. The girls that get it, get it. The girls that don't, don't. My cake platter thing with some random stuff on it, like 2 necklaces I wear a lot, some makeup, some perfume, stuff like that. This is my bed area here. So I moved the bed into the middle of the room, which was a big deal for me. I usually don't like beds in the middle of rooms. I feel like it takes up too much space, whatever, but I moved it here and I was like, wait, I actually kind of stan. So I have the bed in the middle here. This is usually my comforter, but I took everything off to like all my bedding and stuff off to wash, and I didn't know how to put the cover back on the comforter, so right now it's just like folded on the end here. But yeah, I have the same sheets as my last tour because I'm obsessed with it. Like, if I like it, I'm not gonna change it. Yeah, and then here on the walls I have Lana, Gilmore Girls, like the little like Dior thing that I got when I ordered some stuff, and then another picture of Jake Kiska. I have no pictures of Sam in here except for one, which is kind of crazy for me because Sam is my fave, but Jake is my second fave, obviously. Here is my nightstand. It's not like the cutest, but I have 2 books I'm currently reading, this teacup filled with pins, my clock that's not plugged in, my glasses, nail polish, stuff like that. I have a My Melody Squishmallow. She has like a little ice cream. So cute. I got this Glossier banner, and then up here I have 3 tarot cards, which are 3 of the 4 members of Greta Van Fleet. We have Sam, my fave, then we have Josh, and then Jake, the brothers. So I found these are like drawn, as you can tell. I found these on Google Images, so I wish I could credit the artist because it's like beautiful work, but I don't know who did them, so I'm not really sure. I'm sorry about that. And so since the bed is in the middle, if we walk around, then we have my bookshelf, which is a little unorganized, but you know, not much I can do about it because this is what's like practical for me. Just have my books and stuff, salt lamp, more books, candle, and then down here more books, and then like a lot of my art stuff as well. My laptop's just chilling down there. But then on the top, my Polaroid, I have another one of the really cute candles that I got. My old glasses, is an old prescription. And then I have this framed photo of Lana that I had in my last tour. I have this like wine glass with my name on it, books, candle, and I love this lamp. I love it. And then obviously the Lana poster that we've had all along, and the Blondie poster. So yeah, that's what I have for y'all for the tour. I hope you really liked it. And more videos coming soon. I think my next video is going to be a favorites video, so I hope you guys like that. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you soon.